shall learn the living world and classification of microbes. Here, Robert Harding Whittaker's 1920 to 1980 was an American ecologist. Okay, he classified in the living organism into 5 groups. Okay, here see the living organisms. Okay, he further classified into 2 types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, here see prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, further prokaryotic classified into unicellular and unicellular further classified into kingdom Monera. The eukaryotic further classified into 2 types, unicellular and multicellular. Okay, here understand first what is means by the unicellular. Unicellular means consists of the only one cell. Okay, and next point is multicellular. What is means by the multicellular? Here consists of the 2 or more cell is known as the multicellular. Okay, here the unicellular. Here unicellular consists of the kingdom second Protista. Okay, the next type of the multicellular, they are the consist of the 3 kingdoms. Okay, the third kingdom is fungi, fourth kingdom is plantae, fifth kingdom is animalia. Okay, we can see here kingdom 5. The kingdom first is Monera, kingdom second is fungi, next animalia. Okay, all of see here diagram, plantae, Protista. Okay, here see the 5 kingdoms. Okay, in this classification we can see the here criteria. Okay, first criteria is the cell structure. Okay, cell structure consists of the here prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, next is the complexity of organism, means here unicellular or multicellular. First here understand the what is means by the unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular, uni means one and cellular means cell. Okay, multicellular, multi means 2 or more and cellular means cells. Okay, the next criteria is mode of the nutritions. Okay, here see the diagrams of the plant, animals. Okay, the modes of the nutrition is the plant autotrophic. Okay, what is means by the autotrophy? Okay, first understand the concept of the autotrophy. Auto means self and trophic means nourishment, self-nourishment. Second point is the heterotrophic. What is means by the heterotrophic? Hetero means other and trophic means nourishment. Okay, here the mode of the nutrition is the consist of the 2 types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. The plant is the autotrophic, that means the photosynthesis process. In fungi there are the saprophytic process. The saprophytic means the absorption from the dead animals, and next animals depends upon the others. So this type is the heterotrophic. Here see the lifestyle. The lifestyle is the plant is the consist of the producers and animals is the consumer and fungi is the decomposer. The next criteria is relationship. Phylogenetics relationship here consists of the prokaryotic to eukaryotic. Okay, here consists of the, that means the unicellular to multicellulars. Okay, we can now start the kingdom first Monera. Okay, all of see the here diagram. The many types of the diagram. Okay, I want all of know curd, buttermilk. In curd and buttermilk, presence of the lactobacilli. Okay, lactobacilli is see on the under microscope. Okay, this structure like the moving small rod like structures. Okay, all type of the bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom Monera. Okay, the characteristics of the all organisms are unicellular. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. The nutrition of the mode is consist of the here autotrophic and heterotrophic. They are the prokaryotic cell without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. Okay. Now, the next kingdom is Protista. Okay. All of you know the example of amoeba. Okay. The amoeba is shape of the irregulars. We can see the characteristic of the Protistas. Here see the some example of kingdom Protista. Okay, here the characteristic of the first, the Protistas kingdoms, the animal consists of the single celled organism with well defined nucleus enclosing the nuclear membranes. Okay, they have the pseudopodia or hair-like structures or whip-like flagella for locomotions. There the nutrition mode consists of the heterotrophic and autotrophic. Heterotrophic consists of the here example Euglena. Okay, they are the content chloroplast. The heterotrophic consists of the here example of amoeba, parameciums. Okay. In our homes, the presence of the bread. Okay, you can pack the bread today. After 2 days, you open the cap. What happened? Okay, there are the consist of the same thread-like structures. Okay, this thread-like structure is known as the fungi. Okay, we can see the characteristics of the fungi here. The fungi, there are the non-green and eukaryotic heterotrophic organism. Okay, most of they are the sapro. They feed upon the decay organism matters. Okay, the cell wall is made of the tough and complex sugar called the chitins. The some fungi are the thread-like structures. Many nucleus are present in the cytoplasms. The example of the Baker's yeast. Okay, fungi on the core. The through many system of the classification introduced after Whitaker's. Okay, his 5 kingdom system is widely accepted. Okay.